We as an organizer, Deutsche Messe, are very happy with the first edition. We're judging that from obviously what the customers say, the visitors say. We had a good program around it with a perfect matchmaking that was busy on the first 2 days. We had a good visitor flow with high quality visitors that we saw. The surrounding program that we had with the seminars was very good. And the other thing that we saw was besides the exhibition, the matchmaking program and the seminars, we really had technical visits to sites outside of Porto Alegre. Today we had a biogas, on the second day, a biogas factory that we visited, which really sparked the exchange in between the research knowledge from Europe with the trials and the experiences that are already existing in the Brazilian market, which is the step forward for the next edition and will bring in internationals to further go into the exchange. And tomorrow we'll see a wind park, and I'm pretty sure that we again see specialists from around the world, international delegations and local companies and knowledge exchanging. And I think that's the direction we're going into with the next edition, where we had good talks with international partners that visited this show to go forward and include biomass specific topics as well as wind energy and components in the next edition.